Did you know that according to the RBI's published data, and I challenge the Chief Minister of Goa to deny it, I challenge him to a debate on this, on television or anywhere. In 2020, of all the 35 states and the Union Territory, the only state which had negative growth rate and a huge negative, -8%, was Goa. Goa was below Meghalaya. Goa was below Arunachal Pradesh. Goa was below Puducherry. Goa was below Andaman Nicobar. Of all the 35 states and union territories, the lowest growth rate and negative growth rate, -8%, is Goa. The economy is slide. Your environment is damaged. Security is in danger. Goa is floating on a sea of debt, 24,000 crore rupees. And projects are being implemented which the people don't want.